Hello everybody. I want to explain to you how to use Kahoot. Now I'm just opened a Kahoot and I signed up as a teacher. So I'm going to show you how to create a new questions. Just click on the create and it will give you some templates about this. And for making new Kahoot, you can just click it, create, and it will come this window. Here the questions. You can add questions by here, just by adding a question, and it will add new question. And here we have the question, and you can, in this window, you can just click on image library, and it has some pictures. So I can just use, for example, I want to ask about the animals, and I can add any animal here as come in the picture. So let me choose this little cat, and you can write the name. You can write the question. So let me prepare, and I will write, what is this animal? Okay, now my question is ready, and I have this picture, and you can change the picture here by removing all this. In this side we have 20 seconds. When you click it on it, how many minutes, how many seconds that you want to you want the question to be answered. For example, I use it 30 seconds. And here the points is limited between 0, 1000 and 2000. So I will just maximum point will be 2000 for the questions. And what you need to write the answers. For example, I will write here cat, and here I will write a dog, and here let's write a cow, and even here let's write a goat. So I want to prepare the questions for the kids, and you must choose the correct answer. As you know, this is cat, so you need to choose the cat here. So this question is ready, and now I want to add more question. I want a true false question, or quiz question, or true false question, and even there are more. But this one, if you look, it need to you need to buy you need to buy the upgrade your Kahoot. You need to buy it. So in this one, let me say I want to upload another animal here, and let's say okay. So let's have another question here. So I write multiple true false question. So I need to write here, is this picture is dolphin? Is the animal are the animals in the picture dolphin? Yeah. And you must choose which one is the correct answer, true or false. For this one is true. So, and you can add more questions here. Okay. And in here in the setting you can write the title of this one. So let's say simple quiz. That's right here, and you can description the and where you want to change here. You want to change in my Kahoot or anywhere that you want to, and even you can paste a YouTube link here, and it's visible for only you or for other persons. So and then if you look, just it's the name is changed, and you can make a done here. When you click on the done, it will show you and now when you look, our simple quiz is just been created, and now when you click and you can just click on the Kahoot, and it will show you this screen, and you can see your work or your quizzes here. Now how to play this Kahoot? When you look at this one, there is two samples, and when you click on the play, it will show you and tell you that your Kahoot is working or not, or when you make a play with the Kahoot. Okay, so here is it. It will ask you that you will play one by one, or you want to make a team mode when the more students or more people they want to play together. And now we use classic, and it will tell you that you can join it at www.kahoot.it or with the Kahoot application that you can start your game. Now I use my phone. When you enter the code, okay, now if you just look, it says the one player is ready, and let us start. Two questions, and you can easily see that the first question will tell you that it's a quiz and it is multiplied by 2. What is this animal? So you must be ready. What is this animal? Is it a cat, dog, cow, or goat? So it's a goat, not a goat. So we use, for example, cat, and it will show that it is a cat. Now when you click on the next, and it will show that this person, that the name is the name, it will get this amount or this score. And when you down the next question, are the animals in the picture are elephants or not? And let's say it will choose a false, and you see that it will not get any point here. Why? Because it's not a correct answer. And finally you see that this person that joined the game will get the full point. Thank you for your watching.